Welcome guys. So welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this is called 111 minimum depth of the binary tree. Basically this problem is similar as there's another problem called the maximum depth of binary tree. And to solve it, basically the minimum depth is the number of nodes along the shortest path from root down to the nearest left node. Okay, so this answer is 2. This answer is 2. Okay, to solve it, we just follow the similar approach as a maximum depth of binary tree. Okay, so let me see case by case. The first case, the root is if there is no root, then we return 0. I think this one is okay. And the second case is that if the root left is 0, there's no left tree, but there's a right tree. Then we just call the the second case is that the left tree is there's no left tree and no right tree. Then we just return 1. Suppose we only have one node. And if the left tree is 0, then we should return the right tree, the minimum of the right tree at 1. And vice versa, if the right tree is 0, then we should return the left tree at 1. Right, this is very common. And else, then we return the minimum of the left and right plus 1. Okay, so this is the similar approach as the maximum depth of binary tree. I think you should remember these algorithms. Okay, and that's it. And I will see you guys in next other videos. And then be sure to subscribe. Thank you.